Welcome to Tasty Tuesdays, where each week we'll highlight a healthy, tasty recipe that kids can make with their parents. This program is brought to you by Jackson County 4-H agent Caroline Chappell and Family and Consumer Sciences agent Terri. Today's recipe is for fruit slushes. Let's start with what you need to make them. You'll need a blender, a watermelon, some sugar, a few kiwis, lime juice, and ice.
Here's what you'll need to do. Prepare your watermelon by removing the rind and seeds. Watermelon rind can be a little harder to cut, so ask your parents for help. Here's an easy way to remove the seeds. Cut the watermelon into thin slices about 1 inch wide. Following the seed line, gently break the watermelon. Then use a spoon to gently scrape the seeds out. Once you're done, cut it into medium-sized pieces to help with measuring it. Next, prepare your kiwis by removing the skin. You want to cut your kiwi in half. Then you can use a spoon to peel or scoop the fruit out of the skin. You'll need to cut off the stem end. Next, you're going to want to measure your ingredients and add them to the blender. We're going to use 2 2/3 cup of watermelon, 1 2/3 cup of kiwi, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Once your ingredients are in the blender, make sure the lid is on securely and puree until it's smooth. Then add 2 cups of ice and blend it again. If you prefer it with no pulp, add water instead and pour it through a strainer. So we now have our fruit slush. Garnish it with a kiwi.
This recipe was adapted from choosemyplate.gov. The link will be in the description. If you enjoy this video, feel free to click the like button, show us your creations in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can follow our Facebook page.
Don't mind if I do.